Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today I'm looking at a self-care application that has struck a chord with the team here at Screencasts Online, and that's Affirmations by Justin Hamilton. Now it's a free application that sends positive messages to you over the course of the day, as well as some excellent resources for reaching out to professional authorities if you find you can't cope and need advice. It's really great that someone has gone to the time and effort to provide this and provide it for free. So we're really pleased to share Justin's work here. Okay, I'm on Justin, the developer's website here at jwhamilton.co. And I must admit, I didn't know about all of this other stuff prior to coming to this site for the first time. There's clearly a wide range of stuff available. And I know some people struggle to find this app on the App Store. So if I tap on Affirmations up here, we have a link to download it from the App Store directly, as well as if we scroll, some information on how to use the app and what it can do for you. Now, if you do find yourself wanting to download it directly from the App Store and not through this site link, then I'll switch across. And be mindful that you need to search for Affirmations Care Reminders here. Now, I'm just going to tap to install it for the first time on this iPhone. Right, that's installed, and we have a welcome message telling us about what it is that it does, the fact that we can schedule notifications to appear, and also set up widgets directly on our home screen. And we'll do all of that, so I'll tap Let's Go. And this is our first affirmation right there. So many people believe in you. Very nice. Now, each time you open the app, a new affirmation will appear. So I'll close, then tap to reopen. Now a new one, I believe in you. And also note the different color background as well. So I'll close this once more, reopen. And once more, we have a fresh affirmation with another change of color there. Now you can configure so much about the content that we see here. If I tap on the settings cog in the top right hand corner, I'm asked if I want to allow affirmations to send me notifications, and I do. And now I'll tap customize affirmations up here at the top. And each affirmation is set within a category, and you can flip these categories on or off dependent on what you fancy seeing. And there are lots here for the different seasons, for example, and these are only shown, of course, for a certain duration within the year. The same as Pride Month, Summer Solstice. Let's see what one specific category looks like. I'm going to pause quickly here. And I've just paused to save you watching me flicking all of those toggles. And I've just got the projects one available here. So I want to see what these affirmations look like. I'll close, then tap to reopen. And this is a solely work-focused affirmation, clearly. I have so much to work toward. That, I'll tell you, is true. Let's see another one. And my work is going to inspire people. Well, I'm not so sure about that, but it's certainly the dream, isn't it? Okay, let's tap on the settings cog once more and customize affirmations again. I'll just quickly enable all of these here.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.